To solve this piece, this is one of the metal puzzle. Here we have three pieces. One is big ring, one is small ring, and here we have V-shape metal wire that we have to remove. If you try to pull like this, we can't remove it. So what we should do, we should bring this horizontal ring and vertical ring together, and perpendicularly we have to do it, and we have to remove it. In this manner we can remove the three pieces. If you want to keep take these two rings, keep perpendicular to each other, and then insert this. So here this is one of the easy. So here we have to solve this. So when we are trying to solve this, just what we should do, we have to make it this to reverse. Okay, so we have to make it opposite to each other, reverse, and we can remove easily. Just the problem is that, so this we have to bring it here. So when you try to bring it here, so just rotate it. Okay, bring here and remove like this. So in this manner we can remove, and when we wanted to keep you keep it opposite to each other and then twist it up. Okay, it is one of the easiest puzzle. This, so when you want to separate this, yeah, 1 2 3 ready. So here we have one more puzzle, we have to separate this. So here we have a spring, and this we have to remove. So what we should do, just rotate it like this, and here we have one wire. Okay, that is the middle of the spring. So from that we have to bring it forward direction and rotate it again once up. So here we can remove in this manner easily. If you want to keep it again, what we should do, from here you insert it and you rotate like this. When you rotate like this, again it will go down. So here we have wire. So this we have to bring it back. So to remove we have to bring forward. Now to keep it we have to bring it back. Now what you do, you make it up. So in this manner we can solve. It is one of the. Here we have 9 puzzle looking like 2 9s. So we have to remove this. So what we should do, we should bring closer to each other and rotate it. Okay. So in this manner it will come out. So when you want to keep it again you insert here. You take these two closer to each other, and you do like this. All Q is there, we have to remove. So when we are trying to remove this puzzle, so it is somewhat different. So what we should do, we have to remove it. So in this manner we can remove. So it is a 9 puzzle. So we can remove easily. This is very easy puzzle. We can keep it like this. So this is the best puzzle you can solve.